There's a place in space where time stops, light vanishes, and if you fall in, you will never come back. Scared? You should be, because black holes are not science fiction, they are terrifyingly real. Hey everyone, welcome back to the Toothbrush. Tonight we are talking about one of the most mysterious and powerful things in the universe, black holes. So, what is black holes? Imagine a star far bigger than our sun. After millions of years, it runs out of fuel and collapses. But instead of fading away, its core shrinks and shrinks until all its mass of crushed into a single point. That's when a black hole is born. This point is called the singularity, where gravity is so strong that space and time literally break down. Surrounding it is something called the event horizon, a boundary. Once something crosses it, not even light can escape. That's why black holes are invisible. You can't see them, but we know they are. They are because of the way they pull stars, gas, and even anti-solar systems around them. And get this, there's a massive black hole right at the center of the Milky Way galaxy. It calls Sagittarius A, and it's over 4 million times heavier than our sun. It's scary? Absolutely. But it's also one of the most fascinating things in all of science. In the next episode, we'll explore the different types of black holes, some as small as cities, others as big as galaxies. So hit the subscribe button and let's dive deeper into the dark.